spending some time in Nakkata Forest. It's actually one of our favorite pastimes to come here and just kind of be in nature. You know, Taiwan is a small city and there's not a lot of green spaces, so this is luckily one of the spaces, and it smells absolutely amazing underneath the pine trees. Honestly, the best way to enjoy Nakkata Forest is you have to get off the beaten path.